Hi, welcome to GTech. Let's see about systematic errors. So what is systematic errors? Systematic errors or errors are associated with a flaw in the equipment or in the design of the experiment. Systematic errors cannot be estimated by repeating the experiment with the same equipment. Let us talk about the systematic error features. Some of the features of systematic errors are badly made instruments, poorly calibrated instruments, and also if an instrument having a zero error is said to be a form of calibration. So obviously it will result in the systematic error. You can see the depiction over here of how the systematic error and random errors will be. Now let's talk about random errors. A random error, as the name suggests, is random in nature and it is very difficult to predict. It occurs because there are a very large number of parameters beyond the control of the experimentator that may interfere with the results of the experiment. So here if you see, you can find the red balls like representation which is emphasizing about the random errors. Now let's discuss even more about random errors. You can see the time taken for 10 complete oscillations, that is 20.0 seconds. You can see the time taken with an error notification over here. For 20.1 it's plus 0.1. Similarly for 2, 3, 4, 5 oscillations we have the error of 0.0, minus 0.2, minus 0.1 and plus 0.2. So these are considered to be the random errors. We know that random errors will randomly occur, so we couldn't able to predict because it is randomized in nature. Random errors arise from unknown and unpredictable variations in condition. Random error has non-consistent size of error and it is unpredictable, as we already said. Random error can be reduced by taking repeat readings and also by finding the average value of the reading. So here if you consider the time taken for 10 complete oscillations, the average of the reading is 20.0. So it has been calculated in seconds. So this is all about talking about the reducing random error specification. The definition of random errors arise from unknown and unpredictable variations in condition. It varies from one measurement to the next. So this is the definition of random error. And the sources of random errors are human limitations, lack of sensitivity of the instrument, wrong technique of the measurement. In order to overcome this, we have to find the average value of the readings. The main reasons behind the random errors are vibrations and air convection. Because of these things, random error may occur. Sometimes the reasons will be misreading. Other than that, variations in thickness of surface being measured. We can find some variations, and using less sensitive instrument when a more sensitive instrument is available. So this is also considered to be one of the reasons for random error occurring. And the final note is human parallax error. So these are some of the reasons of which the random errors occurred. Let us see about random versus systematic errors. If you see over here we have the true value and this is considered to be the random errors, and this is considered to be the random and systematic errors. A result is said to be accurate if it is relatively free from systematic errors. Whereas on the other side, if a result is said to be precise if the random error is small. So these are the specification of comparing the true value in terms of random and systematic errors. So this is the depiction which is emphasizing about some random errors in system configuration. Now let's talk about reducing random errors. Random errors can be reduced by taking multiple readings and eliminating the obviously erroneous result or by averaging the range of results. So this can reduce the random errors.